So I think the future for peptide therapeutics is looking really great. If you look at the number of peptides that are in clinical development right now and that are going to hit the market in the coming years, you can see that there's a significant growth expected in peptide therapeutics as a commercial opportunity, but also as an opportunity for better treatment for patients. There are some great new products coming through, some great new technologies in terms of delivering drugs orally, delivering drugs through restricted distribution in the gut. So there's a great future out there for peptide therapeutics. I think the important technologies are going to be those that are enabling oral delivery of peptides. So I think we're already seeing the GLP-1 area opening up with Novo Nordisk's approach to delivering that drug orally. I think that will be a step change. If we can apply that to many different peptide therapeutics, that completely opens up the route of administration and then the opportunities to overcome one of the biggest weaknesses of the peptide therapeutics in their need currently to be injected. So that's one area. I also think the use of constrained peptides now that have stability in the GI tract open up opportunities to specifically target some diseases where you're not looking for systemic exposure. I think Protagonist and its IL-23 program is a good example of something that's really advancing in that gut-restricted way. So I think those are some of the technologies that really make a difference. And then some of the devices, when we continue to think about injecting peptides, some of the advances that's being made in the way that you can deliver the peptides through auto-injectors, through microneedles, through patch approaches, those are all going to transform the way that we use peptides in the future as well.
I think there's a number of technologies that are impacting peptide development, anywhere from mRNA display technologies for selection against the targets of interest. And then on the other spectrum is synthetic methodologies that clearly need to be advanced in order to produce peptide therapeutic candidates cheaply and efficiently to fund clinical trials. So I think there's a whole spectrum of these technologies, and one has to look at them in a holistic manner to make sure that there's no gaps in the continuum of peptide development.
Main challenge I see in 2018 is to respond to the needs of the personalized medicine. We need to deliver clinical batch within 3 months, which is quite challenging, and it requires to review how we manufacture peptides under GMP conditions. So this is one thing. Another is to always improve the immunogenicity of peptide vaccines through scalable solutions consistent with regulations. Well, there's a lot of new things going on, and personalized medicine is one of these new things going on. And there is a big challenge attached to the personalized medicine, which is associated with lead time again. I mean, we have to deliver within 3 months a product that is ready to be used by patients in a terrible, state of health. So this is one of the biggest challenge for me and for the company and for the peptide industry in 2018. Also trying to improve the immunogenicity of the peptide vaccine in development and through scalable solutions that are consistent with the regulations. This is also what will be a big challenge in 2018.